Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to research in Google Trends. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Trends and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, right here in the top, there is three sections: Home, Explore, and Trending Now. So right here in the home section, you're going to find explore what the word is searching for right now. Right here in this bar, you're going to find uh, that it's changed. And every time it shows what's trending in every country. So this is trending in Russia, for example. Right now, it shows us what's trending in Hungary. If you scroll down right here, you're going to find dive deeper, explore issues and events in detail, curated by a trend data team. If you scroll down right here, you're gonna find Made with Trends. See how Google Trends is being used across the world by newsrooms, charities, and more. Right here, you're gonna find also Get Started with Trends if you want to learn how to use Google Trends. So use the trends, browse these resources to learn what it can do and how to use it. If you go right here, for example, to the Explore section, right here you can search for any topic that you want. So, for example, I'm gonna search for a World Cup, and as you can see, guys, now it will give us all of the statistic about this trend. You can choose from here which country you want, or you can also choose worldwide. For example, I'm gonna choose worldwide. You can see the statistics for the past 12 months, past hour, and so on. You can choose the categories and everything. If you scroll down right here, you're going to find the first country that has this topic trending in. So, for example, right here we have Qatar is the first one. And if you scroll down right here, you're going to find some other related topics. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.